the quarterfinal game between Brazil, who are warming up in front of us, and Burkina Faso over here. The referees are wearing red. Okay, there's the Brazilian goalkeeper in green. Burkina goalkeeper. Oh, he's in blue. He's right next to him. We're still waiting for the drummers. The Burkina Faso team assured me that the drums are coming. I can't see them yet, and I can't hear them. But for every game Burkina Faso has played, they brought their drummers with them. Oh, look at this, they're lining up. It's really nice. It's around 75 degrees, I would think. Beautiful September Sunday afternoon. It's around 12:30. They haven't started yet, but the goalkeeper's getting ready to go. Oh, so good. We're at the goal for Burkina Faso. That's good. Let's see. Ivory Coast was eliminated in the last game, which was a huge shock. Ivory Coast was the defending champion of the Philadelphia Unity Cup. This is the 4th year of the Philadelphia Unity Cup, and it's the very first time that Ivory Coast has not been in the final. So out of three previous games, Ivory Coast won the championship twice. And now they've been eliminated in the quarterfinal by USA, which is an enormous shock. You know, I tell you, these little countries, I always root for the little countries. It's just nice. So now the little country I'm rooting for is one that a lot of people have never heard of. It's a little tiny country in West Africa. It's Burkina Faso. And they have the nicest soccer uniform. It's very simple. They didn't get fancy with stripes and stars and checkers. It's just green. And with white socks and white shorts. I really like it. Brazil is blue and yellow. Okay. It's hard to see with viewfinder because of the sun. But I think this is a good spot. Try and hold it steady. So I'm right in front of me is the Burkina team. And the coach is going and having a little chat with them, which is nice. So they're wearing yellow. over the green. I don't know what that's for. Okay, looks like they're getting ready to kick off. Okay, kick off. I think I'm going to have to come closer. I'm having trouble seeing the ball. Okay. The drums haven't started yet. How can the drums be laid? Oh. Someone's injured already. Gosh, doesn't take them long. What happened? Gosh. Ah, it's a Brazilian. Referees are over there, trying to figure out what's going on. Okay, I'm too far away. I'm going to get closer. Right in front is the flag of Burkina Faso, and that's what you have to remember, what the flag looks like. Red and green with a gold star. Beautiful. Okay, now I've got to try and figure out how to get down without falling down, tripping myself up on my dress. I'm gonna shut it off.